2014 Nissan Rogue, and today we will be cleaning the clogged up sunroof drain system. First things first, get in your car, turn your ignition on, and fully open your sunroof. For this project we will be using Cat 5 wire, about 6 foot long. This wire I found to be the best. Solid copper Romex wire is too stiff and it is no good. At the very front of the sunroof you have this wind deflector that is supported by this arm. The drain port is located in about this area right here. You want to insert your wire under the deflector arm into the corner and point towards the place where the roof rack meets the roof. It takes about 4 feet before the wire bottoms out. When it does bottom out, you want to pull in and out the wire about 2 or 3 inches in order to push all that dirt through the hole on the other end. Pull out the wire and proceed to the other side to do the same thing. When you finish cleaning on both sides, take some kind of jar, a gallon, pour some water in it, and then use that water to pour it in front of the wind deflector, and then look under the car to check your results.